Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Super Mario Run game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends on the Super Mario Run game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Super Mario Run game on your smartphone, and once you open it up, just tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. Now from here, tap on Friends, and now you will see the Add button at the bottom right corner. Just tap on this button, and now you can enter the player ID of the player that you wish to add. After entering the player ID, tap on the search button, and once you find their profile, you can just tap on the add button to send your friend request. You can also see your player ID within this page. You can tap on the share button underneath to directly share your player ID to any of your friends. Once your request has been sent, the player will need to accept the request, and after they accept your request, their profile will appear within this list. And now you can start playing together with this person. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends on the Super Mario Run game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.